Now you're in the company's menu, where you can track the CSAT and NPS of each company individually, as well as in comparison with competitors. The analyses are organized into 5 main categories: general, pricing, product, customer service, and place. In the CSAT section, you can view each company's satisfaction level in these categories. It's entirely possible for a company to stand out in one area, like place, and perform more poorly in another, such as product. This segmented view helps you understand where the company is doing well and which areas still need attention. In the NPS section, you'll find an analysis of customer loyalty, also broken down by category. If you want to compare with other companies in the project, go to CSAT comparison with competitors. Here, you can see which companies are rated higher in each aspect. You can even zoom in or out on the chart to focus on the aspects most relevant to your analysis. The same applies to NPS competitor comparison, a practical way to understand who stands out in each analysis category. These comparisons provide objective, quantitative data on your customer's satisfaction, and also on your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. But the analysis can go even further. If your company has physical locations, you can track these same metrics by establishment. And if you work with products, you can also view the results by specific items in your portfolio. That's what we'll explore in the next videos.